To fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 black screen error, start by rebooting your console or computer, which may provide a temporary solution. For a permanent fix, open Steam and the Call of Duty game as an administrator. To do this, first close Steam completely by clicking on the Hidden Icons tab, right-clicking on Steam, and selecting Exit Steam. Then, open the Task Manager, type Steam in the search bar, and close any remaining Steam processes. Next, search for Steam in the Windows search box. Right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, enter your admin PIN. Once Steam is open, run the game from the Steam library by clicking on the green play button, rather than using a desktop shortcut. If the issue persists, right-click on the game, select Properties, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan the game's files, replace any corrupted ones, and install missing files. After completing these steps, go to the Steam settings, click on In-Game Settings, and disable the Steam overlay while in-game. The final step is to adjust the NVIDIA shader cache, if applicable. To do this, close Steam, right-click on the desktop, and select NVIDIA Control Panel. Then, click on Manage 3D Settings, switch to Global Settings, and scroll down to Shader Cache Size. Change the setting to a suitable size, such as 10 or 100 gigabytes, and click Apply. Finally, try opening the game again to see if the issue has been resolved.